Welcome to side 2 of the first relaxation tape. Remember, the idea behind the tape is just to let the feelings of peace and comfort and relaxation come naturally, come from your emotional brain. That you don't need to try, you don't need to attempt, you don't need to concentrate. Those things will just make it worse. All we want to do is accept this peace. We want to accept this relaxation. We want to just very nicely, neatly, and naturally allow ourselves to relax, to calm down. And we do this by releasing, setting free, letting go all the stress and the tension and the negative emotion which might be in our body, might be held in certain muscle groups. Wherever it is and wherever it's held, we just give our minds permission to let it go, to release it, to set it free, so that we can be relaxed and calm and peaceful. Remember also that we want to practice side number 1 over and over to make sure that you're getting these feelings of relaxation to start with, but eventually a stronger feeling, a feeling of calmness and a feeling of peace. And if you felt these feelings, this relaxation, this calmness, and this peace, you're ready to go on to this side of the tape, side 2. On this side of the tape, we're going to do something else that's just a little bit different. Because our main goal is to take these wonderful, peaceful, calming emotions and be able to feel them and use them in the real world. So the next step, in order for us to do that, is that as we go through the relaxation strategy today, that before we even begin, you pick a word that fits your own conception, that fits your own personality. That's just one word that explains to you this relaxation and this calmness. Some people pick those words, other people pick the word peace. Someone in the past has picked the word centeredness. It doesn't make any difference what word you choose. The idea is that we take this one word, let's say peace, and associate it with the feelings that you get when you're very much relaxed and when you're very much calm. So that when you say the word peace to yourself, you're going to feel a very quick and a very automatic releasing of tension, releasing of stress, and you're going to be able to feel this peace. You're going to literally be able to feel it in your body. At first, it won't be as strong as when you're at home and when you're alone and when you're listening to the tape. But if you keep on doing this, if you refuse to give up, if you are persistent in what you're doing, then the feelings that you generate at home are certainly feelings that you can generate in public situations. The problem is usually we stop too soon, we're not persistent enough, and many times we don't know what to do. But these emotions that belong to you already, that live in your emotional brain, can be grown, can be practiced, just like any of the other cognitive, emotional, behavioral techniques you might be working on. All of these things can get stronger, can get better, can get more effective. So by the use of this word, which you need to choose now, we want to associate the feelings of calmness and peace and serenity with this word, so that you can use this word later on when you feel ready, and when you feel more in control. You can use this word to calm yourself down in public types of situations, or in any kind of situation you may find yourself in that brings on anxiety. So with this word that you've chosen in the back of your mind, notice now that as you sit, as you lie down, and as you arrange yourself so that you feel relaxed and comfortable, notice that it's easier now just to kind of move and drift into this very nice relaxation and peace. We don't need to go through the whole routine as we did on side number 1. All we need to do now is give ourselves that word, the one word that you've chosen to associate with the feelings of calmness and relaxation and peace. Think of that word right now. Notice the feelings that that word is going to bring on. And as you just kind of lay there on the couch or on the bed or in your chair, you just begin to sink farther back and farther back into that couch. And it's because this peace is able to come on more strongly and more quickly than in the past. And it already is moving from the bottom of your feet to the very top of your head. It's moving very quickly in and around your brain. It's hitting all of your neural pathways and the billions of nerve cells in your mind. It's very nicely and quickly traveling down into your shoulders and your shoulder blades and just allowing you to release the tension and stress that we carry there in our shoulders. And it's moving down into your stomach and very, very nicely letting go the negative emotion that might be in your stomach and stomach muscles. And you feel this up and down and throughout your back as your back muscles just relax and they calm down, and the stress has no choice but to disappear. And this peace and this calmness just envelopes you, just surrounds you on every side. And again, you're struck by the fact that this peace, this calmness, this relaxation is emanating from your own mind and from your own brain, from the part of the brain that we call the emotional brain. These are your feelings. These are your very, very wonderful, peaceful feelings. And you are just allowing them to grow and expand and to blossom forth. And you're giving your mind permission right now just to let them grow exponentially, to let them grow even more strongly, to let all of these good and peaceful and very relaxing feelings grow ever so strongly and ever so steadily, so that you can feel the strength and the power that's in these wonderful emotions. In your mind's eye, you can see your entire body just very calm and relaxed and lying there, and you see the positive energy just moving all around you in your feet and legs and stomach and back and neck and head and inside your brain. It's just very peaceful. It's just very relaxing. And again, as you're feeling this peace, as you're feeling this calmness, just bring this word that you've chosen into your consciousness. Notice this word is going to be associated with the feelings that you're having right now, the peaceful, the calming, the powerful feelings that you're having. And as you continue just to let yourself feel more relaxed, as you continue just to accept this peace, this comfort, this relaxation, you feel a strength involved in this as well. You feel deep down inside yourself that this peace, that this calmness has a strength to it. It's going to be able to make you feel more in control, more confident about yourself and your place in the world, more relaxed in any kind of situation, whether you're at home